In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Canva website for mobile. If your site looks great on a laptop but feels cramped on a phone, this walkthrough will help you make clean, readable, and tap-friendly adjustments using Canva's built-in tools. Start by logging into Canva and opening the website design you want to improve. Once your site is open, head to the top right and click Preview. From there, switch to the mobile view. This shows you how your sections, images, and text will stack and resize on a phone screen. Take a slow scroll through the pages and watch for long lines of text, elements that feel too wide, and anything that overlaps or looks cramped. This quick check helps you spot problem areas before you start changing the layout. Close the preview to return to Edit Design. It's important to know that Canva doesn't have a separate mobile editor. You're editing a single design, and Canva automatically adapts it for smaller screens. Because any change you make affects both desktop and mobile, plan carefully. Tweak a section, then preview again, so you keep both versions looking consistent. Begin with simple resizing and rearranging. Make sure text blocks and images aren't stretching edge to edge. Give them breathing room so they don't press against the screen borders on a phone. Avoid any overlapping elements. These can display poorly on mobile and become hard to read or tap. If you have items sitting side by side, consider stacking them vertically. Vertical stacking is more natural on phones and helps readers move smoothly down the page. Next, group related items so they stay together when Canva stacks them on mobile. Select elements that belong as a unit, like an icon and its label or a heading and a subtitle, and click Group. Grouping prevents pieces from drifting apart in the mobile layout and saves you from constant nudging during previews. If you need to fine-tune something later, you can always ungroup, adjust, and regroup. Now, refine your text and buttons. Select text boxes and increase font size for readability on small screens. Shorten line lengths if they feel crowded, and consider slightly increasing line spacing for clarity. For buttons, make them large enough to tap comfortably and leave ample padding around them so users don't accidentally tap the wrong thing. When you're ready to finalize, click Publish Website and ensure Resize on mobile is turned on. This setting helps Canva automatically optimize your layout for phones. Give it one last mobile preview, then publish with confidence. Your website should now feel clean, readable, and easy to navigate on any device.